Try to get him to come out.
But he won't talk to me.
Go over there and see if he'll talk to you. Tell him, baby Elijah, come out.
Baby, come out.
Get closer so he can hear you.
Baby, come out. Not coming out.
Not coming out?
No.
How are we going to get him to come out?
But maybe when he's at the doctor, he might come out. Huh?
You tell him, Elijah, you come out right now.
Oh, I love thinking, huh?
Oh, you'll spank him?
Yeah.
No. I don't think he's going to come out if you say you're going to spank him. He'll be scared. Tell him, come out right now.
Come out right now.
Tell him, we're sick of waiting for you.
What's that waiting for you to come out?
We want to see your cute little face. Huh.
Yeah. Who's not coming out?
I know, it sucks, huh?
Yeah.
Where's he come out of?
Hoo-ha.
Hoo-ha's?
Yeah.
Oh.
Baby, come out of hoo-ha.
Oh.